It's okay to build up, pero dapat may quality yung kalaban. So, ito na po yung boxing ads. If you look at this, ito po yung kay Kenshiro. Kenshiro versus Perez. It's not bad. It's not bad yung kay Kenshiro at kay Perez. Okay? 1.22, 4.33. Lamang naman talaga si Kenshiro dito. Do I think mananalo yung Perez? I do not think so. Pero I think this is the closest fight. And if there's gonna be an upset, this could be it. Ito pong Perez versus Shiro. Ang weird nito, Kenshiro. Ginagawang apelido yung Kenshiro. Pero ang Teraji po ang apelido niya. So yun po yung sa akin, ano? So, I think ito, kung if there's an upset, this is the upset. Now, regarding naman kay Junto Nakatani, and kay Naoya Inoue, sabay na natin. There is 1,752 bets placed already. Naoya Inoue versus Alan Picasso Romero. And I have no doubts na karamihan po ng tumalpak dito ay kay Naoya Inoue. Because me personally, na kahit maganda yung record ng Hernandez Reyes tsaka ng Alan Picasso Romero, iba talaga yung kalidad nung Inoue. Okay, so just to be frank and honest with you, iba talaga yung kalidad po ng isa pong Naoya Inoue kaysa po kay Picasso. Now, the thing with this, okay, ito po yung medyo interesting part. Always interesting. Every time you match up a boxer that's undefeated, there's always a question of how good the boxer really is. And this is not just hype. So, every time po may undefeated boxer na bata, na or prime fighter, undefeated fighter, kahit hindi pa bata, no? Basta undefeated na lalaban po sa isang legitimate or kumbaga experience or kilala na boxer, there's always a big question. Do you know what that question is? Alam nyo ba yung question na sinasabi ko? That big question is this guy a legitimate star? Because ito ang kanyang outing. When I say outing, ito po yung kanyang opportunity now to step up. Definitely, it's a step up para po kay Picasso, para po dun sa kalaban ni Junto Nakatani na si Hernandez Reyes. So, it's a step up fight which is a chance for those fighters to show that they are legitimate. So, pagkakataon yun, opportunity. Wala pa naman nakakatalo sa kanila. Ang problema, wala pa rin silang nakakalaban na ganong kalibel. So, there is a question mark. There is a question mark of whether he is a good boxer or, talagang kulang lang sa opportunity or talagang hindi niya ka-level. Yun yung tanong doon. But, at the end of the day, I would have to say that Naoya Inoue, Junto Nakatani, is probably gonna win that fight. Again, nothing against the boxers. The boxer deserves that fight, and boxing is the theater of unexpected. Pwede talaga mangyari ang mga hindi inaasahan sa boxing at nangyari na yan. Yung mga boxing fight na hindi inaasahan. So, alright. So, that is the boxing edge. So, sa mga nanonood at nakikinig dito na gustong have fun, gustong maglaro, but play responsibly if you're 21 years old and above, may I recommend Arena Plus. Again, this is licensed by PAGCOR. So, hindi ko po kayo ini-encourage dito. Ito po ay yung mga may pera lamang. Kung wala kayong pera, please do not do it. And this is just for fun. Just watch the game. And do not forget, it's December 27. So, 2 days after Christmas. Baka yung mga pinamasko nyo, iposta nyo pa. O wag naman, ha? Okay. Alright. So,